I have been testing AI image tools every single day, and I realized something crazy. Almost all the top models people hype everywhere right now, Nano Banana Pro, Seedream, 4.5, Flux 2, Klingo, 1 and many others, you actually do not need to pay for them. There is a single platform that provides free access to all these models inside one place. You type one prompt and generate the same image across different models at the same time. That means you can compare Nano Banana Pro free results, Seedream 4.5 free output, Flux 2 quality, and Klingo 1 style side by side without switching tools. And the best part is that I am not just showing you where to access them, I will also show you a trick to get unlimited credits so you can keep generating images endlessly without worrying about limits. Just make sure you watch until the end. Without wasting time, let's dive in. The platform we are going to use to access all these top image generators is called artflow.ai. I have left the link in the description. Once the site opens, click on Get Started for free and continue by logging in with your Google account. The moment you log in, you will instantly receive 100 free credits. If I click on pricing, you can clearly see that I am on the free plan, which gives you 100 fresh credits daily. But of course, you do not need to wait another day once the credits run out, and that is why I will later show you a safe trick to get unlimited credits. To start generating images, click here to create a new project. Let me delete this one so I can show you how to use the canvas from scratch. Right-click anywhere, then select Input. This node is where we type our image prompt. Click at the midpoint, drag, and connect a new node. You can use this platform to generate videos as well, but I will cover that in another video. For now, select the image option to create an image node. We are going to test 4 image models using the same prompt. To save time, select this setup, right-click, and duplicate it. Click and hold to move it down so it aligns properly with the first one. For the first image node, choose Nano Banana Pro, which is already dominating the internet. You can see that we have access to all the top models here. Set the resolution to 2K. For the aspect ratio, I will use 16:9. I will leave images per generation set to 1. For the second image node, set the model to Seedream 4.5, recently released by ByteDance, and currently competing strongly with Nano Banana Pro. Keep the resolution at 2K, and again use a 16:9 aspect ratio. Now paste the image prompt into the first input, then paste the same prompt into the second input. Next, select the entire setup, copy it, and paste it again into a new position. Make sure everything is aligned properly. To manage the canvas easily, you can click Zoom to fit, zoom in and out, or use the hand tool to move around the workspace. For the third image node, set the model to Klingo 1, and for the last node, choose Flux 2. Now we have 4 different image models running with the exact same prompt in the same environment. You can repeat this process to add even more models if you want. To begin generation, click Run on each model. After a few seconds, all 4 images are generated, and honestly, this is mind-blowing. Running multiple top AI models at the same time like this is insane. When you hover over any generated image, you get options to download it or view it in full screen. Let us start with Nano Banana Pro. Look at this. The skin texture, lighting, and the way she is posing with the ball feel natural, almost like a high-end Photoshop edit. Even when I zoom in, the image stays sharp because we generated it in 2K resolution. The physics and the ball texture look very realistic. Next, let us check what Seedream 4.5 generated. This one also nailed it, just with a different pose. The lighting and physics look realistic, and when you zoom in, you can actually see natural facial details and skin texture and pink spots. Take note of what you see because I want you to rate these later in the comment section. Now we have Klingo 1. Honestly, the result is great, and at this point, it is hard to rank which model is first, second, or third. Lastly, we have Flux 2. I really like the warmth in the skin tone here. The pose feels premium, the skin looks bright, and the hair looks natural. All the models followed the prompt very closely, with no major differences. Here is a side-by-side comparison of all the models. Let me know in the comments which one you think performed best and how you would rank them. Now you can see my credits are running down. I have 54 credits left out of 100. This is where things get interesting, because I'm about to show you how to get unlimited credits so you can keep generating images non-stop. Before I show you how to get unlimited credits, quick pause, because I have good news for you. If you have been hearing people talk about uncensored Juan 2.6, yes, it is real, and it is live right now on Atlas Cloud. Juan 2.6 is a video generation model, and what makes it stand out is that it is uncensored, meaning you get fewer creative restrictions compared to many mainstream AI video platforms. On Atlas Cloud, you can use Juan 2.6 for text-to-video, image-to-video, and reference-to-video, depending on how you want to build your scenes. What is even more powerful is that Atlas Cloud also gives you API access to Juan 2.6. This means it is not just for creators clicking buttons. If you are a developer, automating content, or building AI workflows, you can integrate Juan 2.6 directly using their API for text-to-video, image-to-video, and reference-to-video generation. Now, let us actually test this model and see how uncensored and powerful it really is. First, I'm going to create a video from a prompt. I choose text-to-video, and this is the prompt I am using. You can also add negative prompts here. Juan 2.6 supports your own audio as well, either from a link or by uploading a file. For the aspect ratio, I will set it to 16:9. It supports video durations up to 15 seconds, but I will go with 10 seconds for this test. One thing that makes Juan 2.6 stand out is that it can accurately generate multi-shot sequences to express a full story, keep key details consistent between shots, and even auto-plan scenes from a simple prompt. It also generates videos with ambient sounds and dialogue. This is the result after generating.
Yeah, this is my time. Feel the beat, feel the sun. No rules, no stress, just me and the waves. This moment, perfect.
Honestly, this is impressive. We get multiple shots, strong character consistency, and accurate lip sync. At this point, Veo 3 and Sora 2 are really being challenged here. Now let us also test image to video. This is the image I will animate, which I generated earlier using Nano Banana Pro inside this same platform. I paste in the prompt, adjust a few settings, and keep it as a single shot. Here is the result. The motion is fluid, the dancing movement stays in sync, and there is a very low level of morphing. The character remains stable throughout the clip, which is where many other video models struggle. This level of realistic video dynamics makes Juan 2.6 useful for cinematic shorts, faceless YouTube videos, ads, and storytelling content. If you want to fully test this yourself, click the registration link below to access Atlas Cloud directly and receive $1 in free credits. Now let us get back to the tutorial. This is the trick to get unlimited credits. First, completely log out of your account. Once you are fully logged out, click log in again, but this time choose the email option. Do not use your real email. Instead, use a disposable email. One of the best sites for this is tempmail.com. When you open TempMail, copy the generated email address and paste it into Artflow, then click send. You will be asked for a verification code. Don't worry. Go back to TempMail, wait for the email to arrive, open it, and copy the code. Paste it here and continue by clicking Login. You will see a slide puzzle. Solve it, and within a few seconds, you now have a fresh account with a new 100 credits. You can immediately start generating more images. Once the credits run out, simply log out, use a new temporary email, and repeat the process. This way, you can generate unlimited images completely for free. If this video saved you money, time, or subscriptions, make sure you show some love. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me which AI model performed best for you. And do not forget to try out uncensored Juan 2.6 on Atlas Cloud using my link below. You get $1 free test, one of the most powerful AI video models available right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.